Ooh, burr. Working on it. At least there's like cute accessories that you can wear when it's cold outside, but most of the snow is sorry. It's because I left my roller in Miami, so don't feel like flying with that kind of stuff anyways. Out here chilling, meditating, taking a much needed break. It's been nothing but chaos today at the office. It's so much fun but so scary at the same time. I can't even keep up, but I can. Ooh wee! It's like I feel like that exciting part in the back of my neck from stress, because it's like so overwhelming and there's so much information flowing around us right now that I'm like keep finally getting a flow of like boom and boom and boom and boom, you know? So good.